The importance of sound and color in the recreation of Earth's original perfection. This is from beloved Lady CONSONANCE. She's the conductor of the Planetary Symphony, and it's an excerpt from Friendship with the Gods from the Bridge to Spiritual Freedom. I am CONSONANCE, the conductor of the Planetary Symphony, who, with beloved harmony, had the joyous opportunity to acquaint mankind again with the conscious recreation that comes through constructive music and color. Too long has the Earth's vibratory action been so dissonant that it has not contributed to the song of the cosmos. Now the song of recreation shall rise from the grateful hearts participating in this service. All kingdoms, being so resuscitated, shall contribute to this melodious expression. Wearing the color, whose ray is predominant each day, assists the individual so doing, as like attracts like in any sphere. The color acts as a magnet for the divine being whose radiation is pouring forth during each 24-hour period. When science and religion cooperate, we will see the manifest expression of the use of constructive color and musical therapy. It is the divine edict that in all the 7 constructive channels of expression of science and religion are to become one. Powerful examples are apparent in the ultraviolet ray, the green of the medical profession, and the fashion designers in their selection of color, who have in some instances tuned into the color of the ray of the year. In the world of commerce, as well as in the medical field, color and musical therapy have already proved their efficacy, although the exploration of this field is only in infancy. The pigment of the substance of the earth varies in different locations, because the very body of the earth, Virgo's vestments, has been despoiled, temporarily thank God, by the various destructive activities in which mankind has been engaged through the ages. Those portions of the landed surface of the earth which are barren are the result of selfishness and greed. In the glorious process of restoration, these landed surfaces shall again become prolific through the loving cooperation of the nature kingdom and its mighty directors. The very men who in ages past were the cause of these destructive conditions are now in embodiment through the mercy of the karmic board, so that they may make restitution for their misdeeds and assist the nature kingdom and its directors in the restoring of a beautiful, verdant, harmonious, and God-designed focus in the place of wasteland. Soil conservation is one example. Music has color. Every musical composition sends forth a definite color of beneficent radiation when the composer has received into himself a portion of the song of the cosmos and has translated it without adulterating it by any personal defections. However, every individual who later gives a rendition of the composition enhances or deflects from its original beauty. The sensitivity of the true artist received into himself or herself the inspiration of the original composer, the purpose for which such a composition has come forth, and amplifies through the purity of his nature this blessing to life everywhere, and adds to the harmony of the cosmos. Every thought, feeling, word, and action have color and sound. In this process of recreation, it is our purpose to teach mankind to discontinue the misuse of thought, feeling, word, and action, thus dissolving the thought forms of an imperfect nature at inner levels as well as in the physical appearance world. All mankind will then be enabled to consciously use these creative faculties in building the cathedrals of worship for their own souls, and help to imbue the masses with the same desire to become harmonious expressions of God's love.